Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing washi tape video. Yeah. So I just handed in my thesis, my master thesis, and I wanted to give myself a little bit of a gift. And this is the gift that I got myself, which we are first going to open, and I can just tell you up front, it's a washi tape dispenser. We're going to open this, unwrap it, and fill it with all of my washi tapes. Well, probably all are not going to fit, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I also ordered a new refill for my traveler's notebook because they fill up pretty soon. Beautiful box, I'm definitely going to keep that. So it is the multi-washi tape dispenser in mahogany. I can't open it up. It's so pretty. Look at this beauty. I love it. I remembered, it's Galen leather. Galen leather sells this, and I found out that it was sold by a store called Buiten de Lijntjes in the Netherlands, and I just had to get it. I just couldn't. Oh, look at this, look at it. Okay, it will look even better when it's filled. So let's get out all of my washis, which I don't think is that much. So these are all my washis that I have that I'm not currently selling or wanting to sell. Yeah, I've selected all my favorite washi tapes a while back, and this mess is them. And we're just going to have to figure out which ones deserve to be on this one. So I'm thinking definitely these. First, let's check whether everything fits. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. Oh wait, I should make sure they are the right way, of course. This is just going to be a video of me finding the beginning of my washi tapes, isn't it? I'm sorry if this video is getting too dark. I just turned it in, it's almost 5 o'clock. I just wanted to open this and do this, and so here we are. Let's hope the magic of editing works on the darkness here. I'm loving this. I'm loving this so much. I'm so happy I did this. Oh, not all of them are very sticky. Here's some Washitape ASMR for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching whatever this video became. I hope you like my washi tape collection. I really love it, and I love my new Galen leather washi tape dispenser, and I think it looks very pretty where I put it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more of my creative things that I do, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!